Number 1. This 1969 Ford Mustang, priced at $7,500 in Paris, Texas, features a 351 cubic inch V8 engine and FMX automatic transmission. The vehicle is in running condition but requires some bodywork. With the deluxe Grande interior and badges, power brakes, and a new gas tank, it represents a rare find and serves as a solid base for restoration, with only 69,000 miles on the odometer. The Ford Mustang debuted in 1964 and quickly became a symbol of American muscle cars, known for its sporty design and performance, making the 1969 model particularly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts. Number 2. Listed for $4,500 in Chillicothe, Ohio, this 1977 Cadillac Coupe de Ville has 37,500 miles and is powered by a 425 V8 engine. The car features several upgrades, including new shocks, LED headlight housings, and eyeback lowering springs for the rear. Inside, the white leather interior is complemented by new speakers, with additional parts still in the box for further customization. While there is some rust, the car drives great and the seller is firm on no trades. The 1977 Coupe de Ville is part of Cadillac's long-standing tradition of luxury and comfort, representing one of the iconic full-size luxury coupes of its era. Number 3. Available for $5,000 in Livingston, Texas, this 1980 Ford Thunderbird LX Coupe has 78,000 miles and is powered by a 3.8 LE V6 engine. The vehicle comes with complete maintenance records and has undergone several recent upgrades, including new ignition parts, fluids, an alternator, brakes, and LED headlights. It has been repainted and even featured in a documentary, adding to its unique character. The car includes original equipment manufacturer OEM wheels with an optional set of Eagle alloy wheels available for an additional $750. The Ford Thunderbird, known for its sporty design and comfortable ride, has been a classic choice since its debut in the 1950s, continuing to attract enthusiasts with its timeless appeal. Number 4. Listed for $6,000 in Mooresville, North Carolina, this 1976 Ford LTD Landau has 71,000 miles and features a 351 modified 400 engine. Having been stored under a carport for over a decade, it remains a smooth ride despite its age, and the seller highlights how enjoyable it is to drive. This classic car could be a unique find for someone willing to give it a bit of attention, making it an appealing option for enthusiasts or collectors looking for a distinctive vehicle. The Ford LTD was known for its spaciousness and comfort, making it a popular choice in the full-size car segment during the 1970s, and it still offers a nostalgic driving experience today. Number 5. Listed for $6,500 in Fillmore, Missouri, this 1963 Dodge 880 features a 361 V8 engine paired with a push-button automatic transmission. The car has received several new parts, including shocks, ball joints, brake hoses, and a record radiator. Described as a fun car, it's in fair condition with 100,000 miles, making it a solid opportunity for a classic car project. The Dodge 880 was introduced in the early 1960s as a full-size car, known for its spacious interior and strong performance, appealing to enthusiasts seeking a vintage American classic with a unique character. Number 6. Listed for $7,950 in Chesapeake, Virginia, this 1979 Chrysler Cordoba has 43,000 miles and features a factory 360 V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor, power steering, power brakes, and Chrysler rally wheels. Recent maintenance includes a new battery, tires, brakes, spark plugs, and wires. The interior is in excellent shape, making it a well-preserved classic ready to drive. The Chrysler Cordoba debuted in 1975, known for its luxurious amenities and smooth ride, capturing the essence of American automotive design during the late 1970s and appealing to those seeking both style and performance. Number 7. Priced at $4,700 in Avondale, Pennsylvania, this 1979 Chevrolet Malibu has 73,500 miles and comes equipped with new brakes, tires, dual exhaust, and a small block Chevy engine. The car features headers and a quick-shift transmission, making it a solid performer on the road. The seller describes it as ready to go and is only accepting serious inquiries with no trades entertained. The Chevrolet Malibu debuted in 1964, gaining popularity for its versatility and performance, especially during the 1970s when it became a staple in the American automotive landscape, appealing to both families and enthusiasts alike. Number 8. For $6,500, this 1965 Ford Thunderbird is available in O'Fallon, Illinois, with 90,000 miles. The blue Thunderbird runs and drives well, but does have approximately 20% rust. Described as a complete package, it was acquired through a trade, and the seller is open to trades or the best offer, although there isn't much detailed history available on the vehicle. The Ford Thunderbird was first introduced in 1955 and gained acclaim as a luxurious personal car, with the 1965 model being part of the third generation, known for its distinctive design and powerful V8 engine options, appealing to those looking for both comfort and performance. Number 9. Listed at $7,000 in Medina, Ohio, this 1966 Studebaker Commander has 31,770 miles on the odometer. It features a 194 CI inline 6-cylinder engine sourced from GM, paired with an automatic transmission. The car boasts new tires, brakes, exhaust, and battery, ensuring it's ready for the road. While it was repainted in 1991 and has minor cosmetic flaws, it remains mechanically sound. The interior is in good condition, although there is a small transmission fluid leak. This classic comfortably fits 8 passengers, making it a standout at car shows and a great choice for enthusiasts seeking a unique vehicle with a rich history. The Studebaker Commander was known for its stylish design and practicality during the mid-1960s, reflecting the brand's commitment to quality and innovation. Number 10. Available for just $900 in Martin, Tennessee, this 1977 Lincoln Mark V is a non-running project car that has been sitting for many years and currently has 2 flat tires. The seller describes the car as complete, but notes that it lacks a title, which may pose a challenge for potential buyers. Despite these issues, the seller is willing to assist with loading the vehicle for transport. The The Lincoln Mark V, known for its luxurious design and impressive size, was a popular choice in the late 1970s, combining comfort with a distinctive style that still appeals to classic car enthusiasts today.